All right, I know in this video, all of our Outlook lovers are the ones coming to this video. So I appreciate you coming in here using Outlook and not these weird other apps, like start with a G or, run mail in a different way. So these are the Outlook lovers. And I appreciate you guys coming here because we like our PSTs. Anyways, we're going to go through how to use Outlook in Copilot. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to go through what you need to do so Copilot shows up in Outlook. And we're going to show you different ways that you can use it, whether it's through coaching, drafting emails, or summarizing emails in a day. We're going to show you each of those in this video and how you do that. So let's hop on over to the computer and I'll show you first how to get into the new Outlook so we can use Copilot. All right, everyone, my name is Josiah, and as we jump in, I do want to remind you, we are consultants, and if you have any issues with this video or any others, you can feel free to reach out to us on all of our social media platforms at NextTechNT. Now, this one's a little bit frustrating for me. And the reason it's frustrating for me is that you have to go to the new Outlook version to use Outlook. And I don't like that at all. The new Outlook app just doesn't have the functionality that the regular desktop app has. So this one's a little frustrating me, but we're going to go ahead. We're going to hop over the computer in a minute, and I'm going to show you how to go ahead and use Outlook in the new version and get it switched over. So as you can see here, I am signed into the right account that has a Copilot license, and Copilot is not showing up here. Insights is a little bit different. It's not technically Copilot, it's just General Insight. So this isn't the same, even though the logo looks similar. So you do have to go to the new Outlook version. So we're going to click that on right here. And like I said, it doesn't have everything. So currently Outlook PSTs are not available in the preview. You can switch back at any time. So we're going to go ahead and switch over just so we can see Copilot. But because PSTs are not available, it really makes this pretty unuseful for me at this point in time. And so you'll see here now, I only have my one email account that you see right here. And I can't get to any of my other shared inboxes or PST files that I was looking at or any of that information when I'm in the new version. But in the very top right, you do have Copilot up here. What's really cool about Copilot is it can say, hey, summarize the most recent emails. You can also go through and say, I need to find something in my emails. So just like the other apps, you can use your natural language and start to search for something. The other part when you're in the new one is if you click new email, you can say, hey, I need a draft with Copilot. And what it showed there was a / draft with Copilot. And just like in a Word document, you can start writing an email. And it says, hey, I want to remind you to update your computer. It's important to keep your system up to date to ensure it continues to function properly. If you need assistance with the update process, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you for the attention to this matter. What's really cool, actually, is it went through a lot of my emails because I normally will say, hey, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Like, let us know if you need more help. And it kind of used my language that I've already been using in the rest of my emails to generate this email. So I could change and say, hey, make the email less formal and more formal, actually, more formal, and say there is a deadline of completing in 7 days. So it's creating another draft for me. It's going to go through and do that. So it is more formal. Now it says, sincerely, dear colleague, I am writing you to inform you that writing the importance of updating your computer. Updating your system is a crucial step to ensure optimal performance security. Please complete the update process within the next 7 days. If you encounter any difficulties or have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. We appreciate your cooperation and attention to this matter. So it's a little bit more forceful. And so I'm going to go ahead. I would probably never actually send this email to a client, but I'm going to go ahead and say keep it. And it did put in my signature. It has all of that in there. And what's also interesting is coaching by Copilot. So coaching kind of helps coach your email. So it's going to get some general tone, clarity, read the email, and then it's going to give you some coaching tips based off of the email. So the tone, I said, hey, be more strict. And so it says, hey, maybe you should be more friendly. Suggestions, replace dear colleague with hi or hello rather than dear colleague. It makes it very formal. address their concerns. Like, why is this important to them? Like reader sentiment, make sure, and then clarity to make it more clear. Use some bullet points rather than just a paragraph. So it coaches you through and tells you like, hey, if you want to be more friendly, maybe you should add some reader sentiment and the deadline updating the computer, but it does not address the potential concerns or challenges that the reader might have. So maybe please let us know. I do offer here, like if you can encounter any difficulties or have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. So it does say like, offer to assist this reader with the update process or provide them with clear instructions or how resources on how to do it. That's a really cool idea. So maybe I could go in here and say, so we can turn off coaching, maybe say draft with Copilot and generate, but say use the email above, but include sources on how to update a Windows 11 computer. So there you go. We appreciate your response. Here's so Windows 11 computer, Microsoft official PC Mag guide. Maybe that's a URL. So let's see what it says. It doesn't actually put in the link. So maybe we would need to just research on the website and find that link so we can put it in. So this is the email writing. It does help a bit. You can go through and do different things. You can say, hey, summarize or summarize my unread emails. So over here, you can see, like, obviously I blurred it out because it has client information of unread emails, but it went through and said, hey, this person asked about some issues they're having. Trend Micro sent you an email about some writing style analysis, some issues that you might be having with suspicious URLs. You have a voicemail from Ring Central. You have another client asking about information. So it does summarize them all. I thought that was pretty cool. It went through, summarized kind of some main key points ones. It looks like it skipped most of the spam, which is very handy. But I thought that was a good summary, something else you can do. All right, I hope this helps you create emails that are more friendly or more considerate of people's feelings, or just, you know, fun emails that create funny jokes or witty comments using AI to power your emails and just have a lot of fun with it. I don't know what I'm saying anymore, guys. It's been a long night. I appreciate you sticking around. I hope this video helped you out, and I'll see you next time.